As John Wayne said, courage is being scared to death but saddling up anyway. I don't think any of us wanted to get out of our sleeping bags when we woke to an unexpected snow, but sometimes a cowboy's just got to get down the trail. In part 4 of this 4-part series, we explore the Belmont Mill Complex before making our way to the Nevada Northern Railway to experience the bygone era of steam locomotives. Be sure to check out the description below to see some discount codes from our sponsors. The 2024 Rogue Overland Expedition is co-presented by Underland Off-Road and All Dogs Off-Road. Brought to you by White Knuckle Off-Road Products, Adventure Trailers, Tembo Tusk, X-Grid Campers, Shift Pod, and Dragonfly Tarps. In association with Cascadia Vehicle Tents, Max Gear Armor, and Action Tracks. Navigation brought to you by Rugged Roots.
I'm gonna try to do this without my teeth chattering. It's day 4. We're at Windfall Mine outside of Eureka, Nevada. I don't know if you can look around or if you see some shots around yet, but the wind was blowing last night. It snowed on us last night. The weather said we had gusts up to 65 miles an hour. It was cold, but we're packing up now. We're cleaning up, trying to warm up a little bit, and we're gonna head out today, go find some steam trains.
No, just back into that spot. You're good.
All right, so underneath there's a giant weight box with rocks in it. If you look right here, this giant chain goes around this pulley. That is keeping tension on these 2 fat cables up here. And those cables run all the way up the hill, I think a couple miles and back. So the ore cars would come in on those cables, come in on these rails, go all the way down, around, they would dump it and go right back out the other side for another load.
The Tonopah Belmont Development Company constructed the state-of-the-art Belmont Mill in 1926 to process lead-silver ores. It was the first to operate in the district since 1892. In January of 1927, the mill shut down due to falling prices and unexpected difficulties in the ore processing. Well, that reminds me of the old cowboy adage, if you don't like the trail you're riding, then get off and walk. Next, we laid down some quick highway miles to get over to the Nevada Northern Railway. And in their own words, it's the last of its kind, the sole survivor of a grand era in the Silver State. Now a National Historic Landmark, the Nevada Northern Railway Museum takes you back to a time when the Iron Horse ruled the rails. It is America's best preserved standard gauge short line and a complete rail facility.
Again, we recommend that you face towards the back of the steam train as we go through to protect yourself from the cinders from the locomotive.
We die like real men.
If we die, we die.
Got soft hands.
How many packs of cigarettes did we just smoke?
Don't recommend it. We want all motor values to see if they that has been
Jump over the side.
Just at the head.
2, 3.
Riding steam train!
Whale partner, It's been one heck of a ride. I'll leave you with this ultimate cowboy life lesson. Life is a great adventure. The only way out is through.
Copyright Rogue Overland 2024, all rights reserved.